Hello, hi guys. So today in this video I am going to unbox a product which I am going to tell you what it is. And it's been so long since I have uploaded an unboxing video, and I don't even remember when was the last time I have uploaded the unboxing video of a product, title related of course. So in this video I am going to show you, I am going to unbox this one. This is a laptop by Dell, and the model number of this laptop is Latitude 3420. So it's a Latitude series with 11 generation i3 processor, and the processor version is, the model number of the processor is 1115G4 gaming 4. But it's not a gaming laptop, it's without the dedicated graphic card. It's with an integrated GPU given by the Intel graphics. I'll tell you about this later on in this video. And to quickly tell you regarding the processor, it is having 6 megabytes of cache and 2 cores processor, but it's a multi-threading processor, so you will eventually get 4 threads. And its base frequency is 3 gigahertz, and it will boost up to 4.10 gigahertz, or you can say 4100 megahertz on turbo frequency. For example, if you if you give your processor multiple tasks at the same time, then it will go on turbo mode, or when you are on gaming or video editing, etc. And I bought it with Windows 11 Pro English version. And just a second, let me quickly unbox this device and I'll tell you about the other features and technical specifications of this laptop while I'm opening the box. So you can see it's currently sealed. Just a second. Here. Quickly to tell you about the MRP written on this box is 56,437 rupees in Indian currency, and I have bought it for around 45,000, between 45 to 46,000. See, here it is written Dell Latitude 3420. I'll show you. See, Dell Latitude 3420 Core i3 with 8GB RAM, 256GB SSD. It's not with hard drive, and 3-year warranty support on site. So let's get started. Without further ado. And you can also customize this laptop if you want to buy it with 512GB of SSD or even 16GB 32GB of RAM. You can even get it with i5 processor. I have checked on the Dell website. I don't know whether you can get it on i7 version. And there is an option also if you want SSD and HDD both. Like if you use your laptop as a storage device plus you want to quickly boot up your Windows, then you can install the operating system on SSD and use the hard disk space to save your data, or just for a backup. And the class of the SSD is 35, okay. And the RAM, there is 8 gigs of RAM in this version which I am having, and the clock frequency of the RAM is 32 MHz. So this is generally a power adapter. You can see round Indian pin here. It's sealed. Okay, no need for the charging cable now. Voltage adapter, round charger pin, just like a typical laptop. So here it is, silica. and here it is McAfee. Okay, so they have given me a key of this McAfee antivirus, which I won't be installing because I will only use my I will keep up to date my Windows Defender, which is an inbuilt antivirus. See, I'm going to open this baby, and it's in my hand. And the first impression of this laptop, I say it's not lightweight, it's not heavyweight, it's midweight. I'll tell you how much kilograms is it later on in this video. And you are talking about the customization. Yes, you can customize this laptop. You can even get it with Windows 11 Home, Windows 10 Pro, or with Ubuntu. If you get it with Ubuntu or DOS, the price cost of Windows will get deducted from it, and you will get it as, like, for example, 6,000 to 7,000 more cheaper. And yes, there is an integrated Intel Ultra HD graphics. The model number is CY2222. I think it represents for 2022, the current year. And also you can buy it with Dell endpoint security. For example, on the official Dell website, I will, if you check in the description, I will give this the link of the website dell.com, in which you can customize your laptop according to your needs. You can get it with BMW CB endpoint standard Pro support for 1 year. And what is BMW CB is? BMW is VMware, and CB is for Carbon Black Cloud endpoint standard, which gives you next generation antivirus and your URL, EDR, etc, etc. It is just, I think, a safety feature given by VMware. VMware is a trusted platform for virtualization. Okay, you can also get Pro year support for 3 years too, and etc security, palm rest. Okay, you can also get the laptop with fingerprint reader, just like a MacBook, at an additional cost of 678 rupees only. This is not with fingerprint reader. Keyboard is QWERTY. The SSD, 256GB SSD is NVMe SSD, mount on the M.2 slot. And yes, if you are talking about laptop, you have to think about your requirements and the battery requirements, of course. So the battery in this is a typical 3-cell battery, which will give you around 41 watt hours. It's saying watt hours, but I know if I keep on continuously using the laptop, it will drain between, it's a new, so it will take 6 to 8 hours from 100% to 0%. Power is 4.5mm barrel written on their website, and the charger is 65 watts. Power cord, yes, I have, and the wireless Wi-Fi is inbuilt. It says it composes Intel dual band Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax. Okay, and also it comes with Bluetooth 5.1. And the sorry, I forgot the display size. It also matters. Some likes the display bigger, and some likes the laptop will be more portable, and I think the smaller, between 12 to 14 inches. This one is of 14 inches, and the display resolution is 1366 into 768, which is, I think, XG resolution. No, it's not XG. It's better than HD. XG is 854 into something, 480. Non-touch, 2220 nits. Camera and microphone is also inbuilt. And processor, I've already told you about the processor. You can also get 3-year, 4-year and 5-year basic on-site service warranty, and the Dell recommended is 4 years, which will increase the price of the laptop at with 6,541 rupees more if you get it for 4 years, and if you get 5 years warranty, you have to pay 9,906 rupees. Okay, so To quickly tell you the ports here, I am currently not sure what is the use of this first port. The second one is a LAN, and here you will see a little LED which tells you whether it's connected to the LAN or not. Second is a USB. Third is a USB. Fourth is also USB. Fifth is for microphone, and the last one is a SD card reader. Okay, which comes in handy if you are a webcam person. Here you will get a Type-C Thunderbolt, and also one more USB with one HDMI, and this one is for charging. And this LED indicator will tell you whether the power cable is charging it or not. It will turn green, I guess, or white. Maybe Dell. And from the behind it looks like this. Okay, I can see one fan here on the back side, and the speakers are on the bottom side here and here. These two are the speakers. This is the Dell logo, and from behind these holes, I think this is to escape the heat. Okay, I'll show you the thermal case. Okay, thermocol case, and here webcam, and it's loading for the first time. Okay, so it has already booted up, and just a second here. So yes, this is Windows 11. And see, this is a quality laptop, Intel i3, touchpad, etc., and I'll show you the Windows version also. You can just go to run or type Windows RS shortcut and type here WinVer for the Windows version. It will tell you the Windows version. See, Windows 11, but the version is 21H2. Now a latest version is in the market, which is 22H2, which is the latest version of Windows 11 Pro and 10 Pro. And I think I have to increase the sensitivity of the cursor. It's not very sensitive now. Okay, let me open device manager. The shortcut is Windows X, and you can choose here device manager. Batteries, cameras, computer, disk drives, NVMe WD, 256 GB SSD, display drivers okay, firmware okay, keyboard, mouse, monitor, multimedia. I will install the drivers later on by myself. Okay, so I think that's all. One more thing I almost forgot. I have to unbox one more thing in this video. So with this laptop I also received OEM, Windows OEM, Microsoft OEM licenses, which is in CD drives. I will put this laptop on charge, put back the thermocol case. Here in this box I have received the OEM CDs of Windows. Okay, let's open this one. It's written security check, do not affect if seal is broken. Relatable. Here. Okay, all are the same. And here on the red label it is written that warning, if your system builder by opening this package you agree that you have read and understood the Microsoft OEM. OEM is original equipment manufacturer. System builder license affixed to this package and agree to this its terms and conditions, part number, blah blah blah. Okay, and it's written the MRP is 15,999, 16,000 rupees for this Windows 11 Pro license. Okay. So let's remove this one and we'll see what's inside this. Read this first. OEM reseller support program. Okay. Gently scratch to reveal product key. I'm not sure on this video. So here is the key. If I scratch it, it will reveal the product key. Okay, here on this pink side, over this pink side. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Here is Windows OEM CD and here is the laptop. If you have any questions, you are free to ask me on the comment sections. I would love to read your comments. And if you have already are not following to my channel, just subscribe to my channel. See you in my later video. And if you want to see more unboxing or description videos in the future, do let me know in the comment sections too. Bye, take care.